A long, flat, forested walk just above the city. We're taking on the Hong Kong Trail right here on Drone and Phone.
Well, welcome back to the Hong Kong Trail. Today we're going to be doing sections 3 and 4. George, what are we going to be seeing?
So today we're going to go up to Aberdeen Country Park and finishing the trail in Wong Chuk Hang. And it's going to be a gentle, flat path all the way in the forest. Yeah,
it should be a nice, pleasant day. It's a lovely day again, but it's not going to be too tough. Let's go.
Let's go.
Of the city's 4 long trails, the Hong Kong Trail is the shortest, easiest and most shaded. This makes it a perfect start to conquering the 4 big ones, a must for any serious Hong Kong hiker. Opened in 1985, the 46-kilometre hike is split into 8 sections that take you from Victoria Peak to Big Wave Bay. In this episode we hike section 3 and section 4 that start on Peel Rise just above Aberdeen and make our way through the forests that hug the south side of Hong Kong Island to Wang Chai Gap.
I feel like I've been here yesterday. Like in session 1 and 2, it feel like exactly the same. Are we on the right trail?
We are on the right trail, but yeah, you are right. These sections, the first half of the Hong Kong Trail, particularly after you come off Lugard Road, you find that we're walking through forests on reasonably flat paths with the odd little bit of road here and there. It is very nice, very pleasant walking, but there's not a lot to see in this section. It is going to open up a bit later on.
At just over 6 kilometres, section 3 is reasonably short and flat. It's shaded most of the way, so great for hot sunny days, and passes a series of gushing streams where you can cool down. The enchanting forested paths make for a relaxing walk, but offer only a few opportunities to see past the trees.
Well, that's it for section 3. We're about to start section 4. Section 3, fairly flat apart from that first little incline. Nice and easy, eh?
It isn't really an interesting trail in terms of the view, but it's really a gentle and pleasant walk, yeah.
Okay, the next one is about the same length as the one we've just done, but it's going to open up a little bit more. Let's get going.
Section 4 takes you through the Aberdeen Country Park and along to Black's Link, with some sweeping views over the south of Hong Kong Island. At 7 kilometres and reasonably flat, it's not too challenging, but has a few more hills than the previous section.
Well, up until this point it's been pretty straightforward, very few hills to climb. This is the one climb that you get about halfway through section 4. It's on the road, it's on steps, nothing too major.
But very straight, very steep.
But be prepared for it because it comes towards the end of your hike.
Once you reach Black's Link, it's a nice ending to the section as you descend slowly to the Wang Chai Gap, where there are plenty of options to find transport to the city.
Yeah, it's really not that far though. Come on.
Well, we're coming to the end of section 4 now. We've done probably about 12.5 kilometres by the time we've finished. It's been a story of very similar walks, to be honest. Both sections 3 and 4 are quite similar. There's a little bit of a hill in section 4 that got George a bit puffed out, but we've been fast. This has been faster than the first 2 sections, which are slightly shorter. How has it been for you, George?
It's not really exciting, but the remaining 4 sessions is going to be a lot more interesting, so don't forget to check out the rest of the episodes.
So we have got a fantastic view here. Please like and subscribe wherever you see this. If you're finding Drone and Phone for the first time, please check out our YouTube channel and our website at droneandphone.com. For now, my name's DJ.
I'm George.
This is Drone and
and Phone.
Phone. So on behalf of Drone and Phone, I'd like to apologise for George getting
No, not me.
Lugard Road wrong. He said Lugard Road, and of course, as you pointed out in the comments in the first episode, that we had it wrong. Sorry about that.
I'm so sorry for DJ. He told me the word. He's a British, so I trust him.